Hey fam, how you doing? It's me, Lisa, from OBA, Online Business App, and I was about to do a video, another review type video about what I do, but I figured this is the perfect opportunity because I just got a delivery, so I can kind of show you. If you see what I'm wearing, this is my Sexy Nerds logo on the sweatshirt, and this is our Game of Life shirt. And I don't know if you can see the Bull Runners logo right here on my sweatpants. But anyways, I'm going to see what this is in a minute. I have a feeling I know what it is. But you probably noticed some of us doing videos and wearing these clothes and branded clothing. And the great thing is, because I am an affiliate for Online Business App, who these are purchases from their marketplace, the Online Business App affiliate marketplace. It's like Amazon. It's like the combination of Amazon plus OpenSea. If Amazon and OpenSea had a baby, it would be our marketplace. And we have over 1,000 products, even though we've just started recently. And that's basically over 1,000 potential streams of income. Because being an affiliate, just like if I was an affiliate for Amazon, only if I was an affiliate for Amazon, I would have an affiliate link for a product, make like 4% commission, and only if a person signed up in the first 24 hours, okay? So that's Amazon's affiliate program. Us, with Online Business App, it's for life. It's lifetime. And it's 25%, a whopping 25%. That's a lot. 25% commission on every purchase, unlimited, lifetime. You refer someone this week and they buy at the marketplace, that's a 25% commission of whatever they spent. If they don't buy anything again for another 15 years or whatever, and then they buy, it's still attached to you and you still get 25%. So there's no, limit, like it has to be within a certain amount of time. And wearing this clothes, all these purchases are all tax write-offs because I'm an affiliate and I'm wearing it, I'm talking about it, I'm showing it off. That's basically being an affiliate. It's advertising, so it gets written off my taxes. So not only am I earning commissions for purchases, I'm getting awesome clothes that I love, and it's good quality and everything. And right now we have 3 brands: Bull Runners, Online Business App, and Sexy Nerds. So those are our 3 branded logos that we have right now, but we will be adding a lot more. This is just the beginning. But basically you're getting paid to rep your brand and look good and have fun. And of course we have a website builder too, an all-in-one website builder with email, autoresponder, and all that stuff, which you also earn on and can purchase your site. It's free to become an affiliate, but you can purchase the website builder if you want. Ooh, okay, I know what this is. Wait till you see this cool stuff, guys. I am so excited because I had ordered one of these already, but didn't get it yet because I think it was held up in customs or something. But anyways, I ordered a different style, and it's the Sexy Nerds. And it's a tote, same on both sides. Pretty roomy, pretty spacious. You put my stuff in. And when I wear that, I also have a mug with that same logo, a Sexy Nerds mug. But when I wear that, when I use that tote to carry things, I also can wear, ta-da! This is my bomber jacket. Sexy Nerds, same exact design, see? It's a zipper up. Nice jacket. There's 2 different designs to choose from. Got pockets. Got it down the sides. It says Sexy Nerds. That is so nice. I can't wait to put that on and do a video of it. And this shirt will go with, I had these track pants. Hold on one second. Let me see. No, I guess I don't have it over here. Now, I thought I had the track pants over there. I wore the colorful tracksuit the other day, and this shirt is a color that will go with those track pants, but it's also going to go with the blue track pants that I didn't receive yet. But check it out. It's Online Business App. That's the logo. It's blue, like a pretty blue. What would you call that? Like a turquoise blue. And then in the back, it's cool because it's like a lighter color, almost like a greenish blue. So it's almost like gradients, like they go from one bluish green gradient to the other. So that's that, and I'll try on the stuff later and show you how it looks and everything. But that was good because I got to show you my purchases and explain what I do at the same time. So, all right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I could use subscribers. I think I'm up. I thought I was up to 200, but actually, I think I got like 209. So, but I would love for you to subscribe, to like and comment on my YouTube video, and stay tuned for more. I explained yesterday we are doing a $2,500 video challenge right now in Asia Love's mastermind, the Babes Club mastermind, where we get all sorts of knowledge on how to make money online. She crushed it in real estate and affiliate marketing. But we have the best mentors in the world. We have Vincent Ortega Jr., we have Nick Anderson of Bull Runners, we have Ryan Huggins. Nick and Vincent are the two co-owners of the company. And Vincent is a beast in the internet marketing world. He's a multi-millionaire 9-figure earner, and has taught a lot of people how to make money online, and they've also become very wealthy, and some of them millionaires, one of them being Nick, who was one of his best students, and another one being Asia Love, who was one of his best students, and is also his wifey now, basically. They have a beautiful child together, and they both mentor us in the business too. So it's really great. We get tons of knowledge, we have tons of fun, we have a whole bunch of product lines, we're growing and learning how to run a business and become leaders, and we have a real great supportive community. So you'll be learning more about it. I just wanted to give a brief overview again. I don't want to get too long-winded, so have a great night, and I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.